Vortex version. Today we are going to show you how to make a water vortex fountain. So first we have to drill a hole in this marked area. Now we are going to drill two holes in this marked area and this one. So now we have put two holes here and two holes here. Now we have to put the tube through here. Now we have to put the jar on top of it and connect it to the other hole. So now we have fixed the tube to the jar. Now we are going to fix the tube to the aquarium motor. Now I'm going to fix the aquarium motor inside this thing. Now I'm going to pour some water into it. Now I'm going to put the thing inside, put the tube inside and put the cap on top. Now we have fixed the lid. Now we're going to on the aquarium motor. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe. Be sure to tell your friends. Bye.